In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or upload any certificate to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you've just finished a professional course or achieved a notable certification, showcasing these achievements on LinkedIn is a great way to strengthen your professional profile. Let's get started right away. First, head over to linkedin.com. It's important to ensure you're at the right site because there are many copycats out there, so always be cautious. Once you're on the sign in page, you'll be prompted to log in. You have several options here. You can sign in using Google, Apple, or by manually entering your email address and password. Just go with whatever method you find most convenient. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might receive a verification code on your phone. This might seem like an extra step, but it really boosts your account's security, so don't skip it. Once logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed. From here, click on your profile picture, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select View My Profile. Now that you're on the profile page, look for the option that says Add Profile section, which is usually located just below your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. What we want to do next is add a license or certification, so navigate to that area in the drop-down menu and click on Recommended. Among the options you'll see, choose Add Licenses and Certifications. When you click on it, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll enter the specific details of your certification. You'll want to be as accurate as possible here, filling in the name, issuing organization, and other relevant details. Take your time to ensure everything's correct. After you've entered all necessary information, simply click Save. There's even more you can do to make your certification stand out. Consider adding a visual element by uploading a PDF or PNG copy of your certificate. To do this, navigate to the media section within your newly added licenses and certifications area. Look for the plus add media button, which allows you to upload your certificate file directly. Adding certificates on LinkedIn like this not only enhances your profile, but also gives potential employers a more complete view of your skills and accomplishments. Follow these steps and you'll have a professional, polished LinkedIn profile in no time. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for more quick and easy LinkedIn tutorials.